Assalamualaikum. Peace be upon all of you. आप सब पर सलाम थी हो, kapayapaan sa inyo lahat. It's my greeting to all of you for Eid Mubarak. It is a great day of Eid al-Adha, the day of sacrifice, which is commemorating of the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim when Allah commanded him to sacrifice his son, and then he was willing to sacrifice his son, but Allah didn't accept it. Rather, he sent a animal to be slaughtered to make a celebration. So it's become celebration for the family of Ibrahim because his son was saved and not sacrificed. Rather, the animal was sacrificed. So it is the commemoration of that sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim, which was given to God Almighty Allah. So now we do the similarity. We also slaughtered the goats and sheep and cows and camels, animals, in the name of Allah to become celebration for us and our families and our loved ones, all our families, all our friends and neighbors, and all our people who we know, and especially the poor people, the orphans, widows, and those who are unfortunate. So we share this happiness for them in that great day of Eid al-Adha. Again, Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. Aap sabko Eid Mubarak. Lahat kayo ng Eid Mubarak. Assalamualaikum. Peace be upon all of you. Kapayapaan sa inyo lahat. Aap sa par Allah ki salam tiho.